Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Cruze bumper. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and some plastic trim removal tools. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and secured before you begin any work. Locating all the fasteners, clips, and bolts is crucial for a smooth removal process. Work systematically to avoid damaging any components during the process. To remove the front bumper, begin by opening the hood and removing the upper fasteners, often T15 Torx screws or push pins. Next, turn the wheels to access the wheel wells and remove screws, typically 7mm bolts, and clips from the fender liners. Don't forget to remove any bolts or clips securing the lower part of the bumper to the underbody shield. If your Cruze has fog lights, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors before fully detaching the bumper. For the rear bumper, start by opening the trunk lid to access any fasteners located there. You may need to remove the taillight assemblies to uncover hidden clips or screws. Next, remove the screws and clips from the wheel well liners on both sides. Look underneath the vehicle for any additional bolts, often 7mm, securing the lower part of the bumper. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle. When removing either bumper, use plastic trim tools to carefully pry apart sections and avoid scratching your paint. Keep all removed screws, bolts, and clips organized to simplify reinstallation. Reattaching the bumper is essentially the reverse of removal. Ensure all electrical connectors, like those for fog lights or sensors, are reconnected. Double-check that all clips are engaged and all fasteners are securely tightened for a proper fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.